welcome to our maths channel. In earlier classes, definite integral topic completed. Now, today's class, I introduce the differential equation topic. The weightage of this chapter is totally 13 marks. In this one 2 marks question, 1 4 marks question, 1 7 marks question. Before going to introduce the differential equations topic, students, thank you for watching my classes. If you like my classes, please subscribe and share to your friends. Okay, right. In differential equations, the basic definition is what is differential equation. Clearly we know that equation. Okay, so linear equation in two variables is general form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Linear equation in two variables. Okay. So up to equations we know what is meant by differential equation. Means an equation involves differential derivative terms. An equation involves derivative terms, then such equation is said to be differential equation. Not understood. What is derivative terms means? Clearly we know that derivative of y in first year 1b differentiation completed now, right? Derivative of y denoted by dy by dx. Okay. So what is the order means? First order. Okay. Next, order means how many times we differentiate the given function. Here only one time. Okay. Next, so derivative of dy by dx means that means dy by dx of dy by dx. Derivative of again this function d by dx of dy by dx. That can be written as d square y by dx square. Okay. So here dy by dx, d square y by dx square, and also d cube y by dx cube. These are said to be derivative terms. Okay. These are said to be derivative terms. Order of this derivative term is 1 because of first order differentiation. Here 2 times differentiation, so second order. This one is third order. Okay. Now we go for definition. Definition means an equation involves derivative terms is called a differential equation. Nothing but example, x into d square y by dx square plus 3 into dy by dx plus 4 equal to 0. Okay. This is an equation. In this equation, we have derivative terms. Here d square y by dx square, dy by dx. These are derivative terms. So an equation involves derivative terms is said to be a differential equation. Okay. So this is the example. This is the example for a differential equation. Another equation we can written as like this: 3x into dy by dx plus 4 equal to 0. This one is also a differential equation. In another way, another example: 4x square into d cube y by dx cube plus 3x into d square y by dx square plus 4y plus 7 equal to 0. This is also one differential equation. Okay. So final definition is an equation involves derivative terms is called differential equation. Okay. I will give the notes in the next one. Okay. After completion of the remaining definition, I will give the notes. Okay. This one is about the differential equation definition. Okay. Now, order of differential equation. Order of differential equation. This one is most important. Order and next definition is degree of differential equation. These two are most important for 2 marks question. 100% this order of the differential equation and degree of the differential equation coming for 2 marks. Okay. So what is the order of differential equation means? Clearly I explained here. This one derivative term, order 1. This is also derivative term, order 2. This is also derivative term, order 3. 3 times differentiation. So I explained here order of the derivative terms, but here order of the differential equation. That is the first understood the difference between order of the derivative term, order of the differential equation. Now I am explaining order of the differential equation. So what is the order of differential equation means? For example, here one differential equation. Okay. Here in this differential equation we have two derivative terms. Okay. So what are they means? X into d square by dx square plus 3 into dy by dx plus 4. Here what is the order of this derivative term? 2. Okay. What is the order of this derivative term? 1. Okay. So here order of constant equal to, here there is no derivative term means 0. Okay, no problem, leave it, no need to write this. So in these two one, what is maximum? 2. Okay, so 2 now, that's way order of this differential equation is 2. Understood clearly? Which way? We write the order of the differential equation means the highest order of the derivative of the differential equation is called the order of the differential equation. Okay. So here d square by dx square dy by dx. Order of this derivative term is 2. Order of this derivative term is 1. Maximum of this one. That's why highest order of the derivative of the differential equation is called the order of the differential equation. This one is the definition of order of differential. Is it clear? Any more doubts on this one? Right. I will take another example. Here this is one differential equation. Here we have two terms. Order of this derivative term is 3. This one is 2. Okay. Maximum of 3 comma 2, 3. That's why this one is third order differential equation. Any more doubts on this one? Very good. Let us take another example. 7x cube into d power 4y by dx power 4 plus 4x square into d square y by dx square plus 7 dy by dx. Okay. First, before going to ask the question, first, is it differential equation or not? Yes, very good. This is a differential equation. Because of this equation involves derivative terms. That's why this is a differential equation. This one is clear. Definition is clear. Next, what is the order of differential equation means? In which way we can check this means? Here, 3 terms are there, derivative terms. In this one, maximum order. How much? Here 4, this one is 2, this one is 1. Maximum 4. That's why order of this differential equation is 4. Okay, is it clear? Right. Next, this is about order of differential equation. Next, degree of differential equation. Degree of differential equation. Shortly we can write D. Okay. Degree of differential equation. This is also most important because of for 2 marks for any equation in IB examination, one differential equation is given and write the order and degree of the differential equation. For order 1 mark, next for degree 1 mark. Okay. Now we go for degree of the differential equation. In which way we can write the degree of differential equation means the definition is the power of or exponent of maximum order of the differential equation. Okay. So the power of maximum order of the derivative of the differential equation is called the degree of the differential equation. Not understood. Check once here. Here, what is the order? 2. Order of this differential equation is 2. So here, 2 derivative, order of this derivative term is 2. This one is the maximum order now. So the power of the maximum order term, the power, how much? There is no power, that's why 1. So the power of the maximum order derivative in the differential equation is called the degree of the differential equation. Here power of this one is 1, that's why degree of this differential equation is 1. Okay, order to degree 1. Next we go for here maximum order derivative is d cube by dx. The power of this one, there is no power, 1. Okay, that's why order 3 degree 1. Okay, so here for example I am writing another example like this. So 3x square into d cube y by dx cube plus 3y into dy by dx whole power 4 plus 4y equal to 0. This is also one differential equation. Is it clear? Yes. Now, in this differential equation, what is the order? Yes, here 3, this one is 1, maximum 3, that's why order is 3. Okay, degree, anyone? 4? No, wrong. Why? Why means, here 4 is the power of dy by dx, but this one is the not the order of the differential equation. That means this is not the maximum order. What is the maximum order derivative means? d cube y by dx cube. This one is the maximum order derivative. Okay. So maximum order derivative power is called the degree of the differential equation. So order 3 there is no power, 1 is there. That's why degree is 1. Is it clear? Degree 1 order 3. This is about degree of the differential equation. Is it clear? Any more doubts? I will give the another example also. 3 into d cube y by dx cube whole square plus 3 into dy by dx plus 4y equal to 0. This one differential equation. Here what is the order? Very good. 3. This one because of maximum order derivative is this one only. This is order 1. That's the maximum order 3. That's why order of this differential equation is 3. What is the degree means? The power of the maximum order of the differential equation is called the degree. So this one d cube y by dx cube is the maximum order. That's why that power is 2. That's why degree is 2. Okay. This is about degree and also order of the differential equation. Any more doubts on this one? Right. Here some conditions are there. What is the condition means? Whenever we write the degree of the differential equation, must and should simplify the differential equation. That means if in the given equation we have fractional powers like this 1 by 2 or 3 by 2. Okay. So in these cases we do not say directly degree of the differential equation. After simplification only we can write the degree of the differential equation, because of the degree of the differential equation is non-negative integer. Okay, that is not the fraction. That's why if we have fraction in the differential equation, fractional powers, then simplify that. Means in which way we can simplify? Squaring on both sides, then by 2 cancel. Okay, so that means first point is degree of the differential equation is always non-negative integer. Second point is whenever we write the degree of the differential equation, must and should the powers of the derivatives of the differential equation are not in fraction. Must and should simplify only non-negative integers, then only we can write the degree of the differential equation. Is it clear? Next, the last point about the degree of the differential equation is if a differential equation derivative terms involves such trigonometric function, logarithmic function or exponential functions, then such differential equations degree not defined. For example, so x into d square y by dx square plus e power dy by dx plus 7 equal to 0. Okay, this is a differential equation because of this equation involves the derivative terms. Okay, derivative terms. But here degree order of this differential equation is maximum order 2. This one is 1, this one is 2, maximum is 2. That's why 2. What is degree means? degree not defined. Why? Because these derivative terms involves in exponential terms. That means e power. That's why degree not defined. In another case also, derivative terms involves trigonometric functions. That means sin of dy by dx, cos of dy by dx. In such cases also, degree not defined. Okay. Trigonometric function, exponential function. Another one is logarithmic functions. In logarithmic functions, if derivative terms involves logarithmic functions, then only in such cases also degree not defined. Okay, right? Before going to write the notes, just observe once. Degree of the differential equation, order of the differential equation. I am again explaining the definitions. First one, differential equation means an equation involves the derivative terms. Such equation is said to be differential equation. That is the first one. Second one, order of the differential equation. Order of the differential equation means the maximum order of the derivatives involved in the given equation is called the order of the given differential equation. Okay. Next, degree of the differential equation means the power of the maximum order of the derivative involved in the given differential equation is called the degree of the differential equation. Okay. Okay. So I will give the notes. Okay, students. Now write the notes. This one is the definition of differential equation, order of the differential equation, degree of the differential equation, conditions to write the degree of the differential equation. So this one is the matter which I explained in the previous. Okay, write down the notes. Okay, an equation involves the derivative terms like dy by dx, d square by dx square, etc. Then such equation is said to be a differential equation. Example, this one, order of the differential equation. The order of the highest derivative of the differential equation is called the order of the derivative. So highest order derivative is there, the power is called the degree of the differential equation. In order to, in the case of whenever we write the degree of the differential equation, these are the conditions, because of where always degree of the differential equation is non-negative integer. Next one, if in the given equation we have the fractional powers, we need to simplify that one, reducing the powers into fractionals into integers, then only we can write the, we have choice to write the degree of the differential equation. If derivative terms are in terms of exponential terms, logarithmic terms, trigonometric functions like this, sin of dy by dx, log of d square by dx square, dy by dx, e power dy by. In such cases, the degree of the differential equation is not defined. Is it clear? Write down. Yes, students. Next, conclusion. Problems on differential equation. That means find the order and degree of the following differential equation. This is 2 marks questions. Okay. So first one, d square y by dx square equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 5 by 3. Can you write directly for this one order and degree? No. What is the reason? Very good. So here we have fractional powers. Okay. So clearly explained that whenever we have the fractional powers, we need to reduce the powers into integers. Then only we can write the degree of the differential equation, order and degree of the differential equation. Okay. So take the given differential equation. Here power 5 by 3 na. So we have to do cubing on both sides. Then only 3 cancel for that one. Okay. So cubing on both sides of above equation. In solution, write down the given problem as is. Then d square y by dx square whole cube equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 5 by 3 whole power 3. Okay. remaining equation d square y by dx square whole cube equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 5. Okay. Now all powers are non-negative. Now we go to what is the order? Order means maximum order derivative of the given equation is called the order of the given differential equation. Maximum here 2 order, this one is 1, maximum is 2. That's why order of the differential equation order equal to 2. Next, what is degree? The power of the maximum order of the derivative of the differential equation is called the degree. Here maximum order 2, this power is 3, that's why degree 3. Clear any more doubt? Very good. Next, here second one, 1 plus d square y by dx square whole square equal to 2 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 3 by 2. Okay. So in the solution, write down the given problem as it is. Okay. Here we have the fraction. That's why we need to reduce the power into integers. That's why by 2 na, so squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Here power by 3, that's why cubing on both sides. Here by 2, that's why squaring on both sides. 1 plus d square y by dx square whole square equal to 2 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 3 by 2 whole power 2 because of squaring. Here 2 to get cancelled. Now we need to simplify this one because of this expansion depends on the degree of the differential equation. That's why we need to expand. You have one doubt. In the previous problem, I cannot expand this one because of order is 2. Degree depends on the maximum order na? So that's why degree also not affected. Okay, degree of the differential equation not affected on the expansion of this one, but here degree of the differential equation affected on the expansion of this one. That's why must time should expand this 1 plus d square y by dx square whole square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square, a square 1 square 1 only 2ab 2 into 1 into d square y by dx square d square y by dx square whole square 2ab. Okay, plus b square means d square y by dx square whole square. Actually b only d square y by dx square also b square, that's why whole square equal to 2 plus dy by dx whole square whole. No need to expand this one because of maximum degree 2. Okay, so sorry, maximum order 2. So degree also depends on this d square y by dx square only. The degree not depends on dy by dx. That's why no need to expand that. This can be written as 1 plus 2 into d square y by dx square whole square a power m whole power n into n d square y by dx square a power m 2 to 4 equal to 2 plus dy by dx whole square whole cube. Okay. Now in this equation maximum order 2, that is the order of the differential equation. So 2 order 2 degree. Here 2 this degree is the power is 2 here, that one is 4. In this one maximum, that's why highest power of the maximum order derivative of the differential equation is called the degree of the differential equation. That's why in this one maximum 4 now. If orders are equal, then maximum power is called the degree of it. That's why 4. Is it clear? Right. Yes, students, next continuation. Third problem. dy by dx equal to x power 1 by 2 by y power 1 by 2 into 1 plus x power 1 by 2. Okay. In the solution, write down the given problem as it is. This is clearly differential equation. We need to write order and degree of the differential equation. Okay. Anyone say what is the process? In increase the squaring on both sides? Anyone? Yes? No, that one is wrong. That one is wrong because of here we have the fractional powers, but not the fractional powers not depends on the derivatives. Derivatives means dy by dx, d square by dx square, dq by dx cube. These fractions not depends on the derivative terms. That's why we can write directly. No need to simplify this one. Okay. If we have in the previous two problems d square by dx square whole power 1 by 3 like that. Derivative terms powers are fractionals, then only we can simplify this. So that's why we can say directly, here we have only 1 dy by dx. Order of the differential equation is good 1. Degree, the power of derivative. Dy by dx whole power 1. That's why order 1 only. Degree is also 1. Clear? Right. Next, fourth problem. Here also write down the given differential equation in the solution. Okay? Clear. There is no exponential powers to the derivative terms. That's why you can directly write down. So what is the order? Order means maximum order of the derivatives involved in the given differential equation. Here derivative terms we have 3. So in this one maximum 2. That's why order 2. Degree, the power of the maximum order of the derivative is called the degree. Is it right? That's why what's the degree? 1? No, that one is wrong. 1 is not the degree of this differential equation. Sir, why means clearly explain that if the derivative terms are involved in the logarithmic terms or exponential terms or trigonometric terms, then such differential equations degree not defined. Here this dy by dx term involved in the logarithmic term. That's why degree of this differential equation is not defined. So degree not defined. Is it clear? Okay. But here if we have log y, for example, log y, not log dy by dx, then degree defined. What is the degree? Very good. Degree 1. In the case of log y, not only log y, log x, if you take anyone. But must and should the derivative terms involved in differential logarithmic terms or exponential terms or trigonometric terms, then only degree of the function differential equation not defined. Clear? Right. Now fifth problem. Solution. Okay. Write down the given problem in the solution as is. Now we need to write the order and degree of this differential equation. Clearly, these are the derivative terms, power fractions. That's why we need to simplify this one. But here, x, y terms, not derivative terms. That's why we can write directly. Can you understand the difference between these two? Good. Now, in order to simplify this one, raising power both sides to 4. Okay. So then dy by dx whole power 1 by 2 plus d square y by dx square whole power 1 by 3 whole power 1 by 4. Here we need to raising the power to 4 both sides equal to 0 power 4. Both sides we need to raise the power to 4. Here 4 cancel. dy by dx whole power 1 by 2 equal plus d square y by dx square whole power 1 by 3 equal to 0 power 4 equal to 0. Now d square y by dx square whole power 1 by 3 equal to plus dy by dx whole power 1 by 2 taken into the opposite side minus dy by dx whole power 1 by 2. Now we need to simplify. Again here also derivative terms powers fractions. That's why we need to reduce the powers into non-negative terms. But here 3, here 2. Only 2 directly squaring on both sides. Only 3 directly cubing on both sides. But here we have 3, 2. So that's why we need to raise the powers to LCM of 3 comma 2. Okay. What is the LCM of 3 comma 2? Is 6. That's why raising power both sides to 6. Okay. Then d square y by dx square whole power 1 by 3 whole power 6 equal to minus dy by dx. Okay. Minus dy by dx whole power 1 by 2 whole power 6. Okay. Now 3 1 by 3 2. Okay. Now d square y by dx square whole power 2 equal to minus 4 power 6 is positive. dy by dx whole power 1 by 2 power 6. 2 1 2 3 dy by dx whole power 3. Clear? Now derivative terms powers are non-negative integers. Now write down the order and degree. What is order of this differential equation? Yes, good. 2. Degree? Anyone? 2 only, not 3. Because of maximum order 2 now. This power 2 only. So order 2, degree 2. Any more doubts on this one? Write down. Yes, students, next continuation, 6th problem. dq y by dx cube whole square minus 3 into dy by dx whole square minus e power x equal to 4. For this one is also we need to write order and degree of the differential equation. Okay. That's why in solution write down the given problem as is given differential equation. We need to write the order and degree. What is the order? Clearly there is no fractional powers. Okay. So order is 3. Degree not defined. No. So here your doubt is exponential term is there. Exponential term is there, but derivatives are not involved in the exponential term. That's why you can directly write down the order and degree. Order is 3. Maximum power is 2. That's why order 3, degree 2. It's very clear. Your doubt is e power x. Yes, e power x is there, but if we have e power dy by dx or e power d square y by dx square, in such cases degree not defined. In the previous log of dy by dx, in logarithmic terms we have dy by dx. That's why in that case degree not defined. But here clearly only x is there, not derivative terms are not there in exponential terms. That's why degree 2. Clear? Right. Now 7th, x power 1 by 2 d square y by dx square whole power 1 by 3 plus x into dy by dx plus y equal to 0. For this differential equation we need to find order and degree of this differential. We need to simplify it. Why? Because here power fraction is there. We need to reduce into the non-negative integer. That's why x power 1 by 2 into d square y by dx square whole power 1 by 3. Okay. Taken into the opposite side, we have minus x into. Okay, no problem. Keep these two terms in the LHS. X into dy by dx plus 1 equal to plus term taken into the opposite side minus x power 1 by 2 into d square y by dx square whole power 1 by 3. Okay. Here power is 1 by 3 now. That's why cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. X into dy by dx plus y whole power 3 equal to minus x power 1 by 2 d square y by dx square whole power 1 by 3 whole power 3. Clear? Right. Now minus power 3 minus only x power 1 by 2 whole power 3. Okay. X power 1 by 2 whole power 3. Keep it as things. D square y by dx square whole power 1 by 3 whole cube. Split the power to each and every term of RHS. Now LHS keep it as x into dy by dx plus 1 whole cube equal to, okay, x into dy by dx plus 1 whole cube equal to minus a power m whole power n, a power m into n, x power 3 by, here 3 cancel, d square y by dx square. Here no need to simplify this one, continue directly, we can write order and degree. Why? Because here order is 2, degree 1. Your doubt is power 3 by 2 is there, that is the fraction. No, that power belongs to this x only, not derivative terms. If dy by dx whole power 1 by 2 or dy by dx whole power 3 by 2, the derivative terms are fraction, then only we can simplify that one. Here x power 3 by 2, no need to simplify this one and no need to expand also, because of the order is d square y by dx square, order the d square y by dx square power 1. Okay, the degree not affect the expansion of this one. Okay, that's why directly write down order 2 degree 1. There is no power 1. That is clear. Now last problem in the order and degree problems. So in solution, write down the given problem as is d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole cube whole power 6 by 5 equal to 6 by. Okay. Now in order to simplify this one, here 6y not 6 dy by dx na, that's why in order to get the solution easily, increase power both sides to 5x. Okay, then we get easy, because of in the variable power we have the fraction, no need, but derivative power is always non-negative whenever we can write the order and degree of the differential equation. That's why d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole cube whole power 6 by 5 whole power 5 by 6. In order to cancel this power, we need to write, increase the power both sides 5 by 6 y whole power 5 by 6. Now 5 can cancel, 6 cancel. Now write down the equation. D square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole cube equal to 6y whole power 5 by 6. Now derivative powers are non-negative integers. That's why write down directly. What is order? Very good. 2. What is degree? 1. D square by dx whole power 1 now. So that's it. Order 2 degree 1. Write down. Okay students, that's the end of today's class. In today's class we discussed about the order and degree of the differential equation. Okay, so clearly understood. If you have any doubt, please call my personal number. Students, thank you for watching my classes. If you like my classes, please subscribe and share to your friends. Okay, so in the next class I will continue the differential equation chapter. Okay, thank you.